Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva, I'm your dietitian. Lemongrass. This is a herb with many health benefits, and several researchers claim that lemongrass offers multiple health benefits. Some of them I have listed in this video today, so why late? Let's look into the benefits. These are rich in antioxidants which prevents the infection. It lowers the cholesterol and protects heart. Relieves stress and anxiety, boosts the red blood cells, relieves bloating, good for hair and skin health. So, how can you include this lemongrass in your diet? It's so simple guys, just in the form of tea. So today, I have come up with the exciting recipe with the lemongrass, that is lemongrass ginger tea. So why late? Let's look into the procedure. Firstly, take a glass of water and bring it to boil. Now add the lemongrass and ginger and mix it well. Let it boil. Simmer the flame and close it with the lid. Turn off the flame after 3 to 4 minutes and pour it into a glass. Drink it every day for 1 or 2 times. Enjoy the benefits. And if you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. Welcome with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.